Hello again everyone, welcome to our Zoe Basic Language class. Zoe language is very easy to learn but difficult to fully master. So if you would like to learn Zoe language quickly, 1. Read everything you can. 2. Actively take notes on new vocabulary. 3. Talk with people. 4. Use your friends. 5. And ask a lot of questions. With these 5 bullet points, it'll help you learn and give you a better understanding of Zoe language.
Sinakhat toilet tu ni mi to ki mu chil chang ham dan ning te sin ba yele ama se pa ni mi to ki mu chil chang in hello hi sile hi hi sile hey chi te chile hoi pen pen hi to ba na
Nice to meet you.
ki mu the lung dam hoi ye
Nice to meet you too.
ki mu the lung dam hoi mai aba na tan da ning ko to le hoi hi
How are you?
na da mei ma
I'm good, thanks.
dam nang lung dam
Hey, how's it going?
hey bang na chi ye
I'm fine, thanks.
dam nang
Pretty good.
hoi nang
Not bad.
se sing
So-so.
hoi lo selo
Good.
hoi nang toa cheng mi ki mu pi ngai lo te to ki mu cheng in bang chi ho pi ding chi le achara ma bang in hello hey hi chi te ki te kya hi toa zo cheng in
Good morning.
zingkal pha hi sile
Good afternoon.
sun kal pha hi sile
Good evening.
ni ta pha chi te ki te hi
Good.
hoi
Not so well.
hoi sang kol sing
Not so good.
hoi kol sing
Hey, what's wrong?
abang chi la
I'm not feeling well.
ka chi num si
What about you? Or and you?
nang bang na chi ye lungdam mai kala ke mu kya bai
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.